Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach JavaFx. One of my students who asked me to teach JavaFx, so that I have start the video from today. So first I am going to show you this simple one, right? How to add two numbers. This is the basic stuff I will be teach here. Here if I execute the program, you can see the look like the interface. It's very nice. So here we have to enter the number 70. Click add button. Here total should be added successfully, right? Now let's do the let me study step by step how to do the JavaFx program. So let's close it. Now first what I am going to do is here go to the file, new project. Here we have to select JavaFx and you have to select JavaFx XML, this one, right? Next, here you have to give the project name. I am going to give add. Click finish. Right. This is your new project, right? Now here I have installed NetBeans IDE 8.2, right? Let me see how to do the task. So go to the Google. You have to type NetBeans 8.2, right? This is the newest version, 8.2, not 8.0.2, okay, 8.2, okay, this is the latest version, right? So 8.2, you have typed 8.2, so you will be able to download the 8.2 here, right? Click on this button. Here you have to, this one, second one you have to download it. Here you can get all the facilities here, Java SC, FX, Java EE2EE, here JavaScript, all the here this server also you can getting all the stuff here. Click download and you can download and you have to install that. It's straightforward. So here in order to install you have to download the JDK, right? That is important stuff, right? So I have downloaded here. If I check, I have downloaded the Java version, here Java version, this one, right? Java 8, right? Java 8 here I have downloaded it from here. Go to the Google. You have to type JDK downloads. You have to type JDK download, right? If you type, it goes to the relevant website. Now here click on this one, Java, this one, Java 8. Click on here, Java 8. Here you will be able to download, right? This one. Okay, this is an executable file. You have to download first. Yeah, then first you have to install this one. After install that one, after that you have to go here download this Java 8.2 and you have to install it, right? It automatically get the this JDK, right? Okay, you have to see the operating system, which operating system you have, right? It's simple. You can check, right? Go to the my computer and you can check here. Here right click, properties, what's the operating system you have. Okay, I have 64-bit. You have to find the version 64-bit, right? That's a that's a must. Okay, operating system must. This is 64. You have to download this one, right? Okay, this is the must thing. You must download the stuff. Okay, perfect. Now what I am going to say, after done the stuff, after if you install Java downloads as well as NetBeans, you have to download this one, right? Scenes builder, right? You just go here, type Java scenes builder, NetBeans 8.2 download. Here you go here, click on this one, come below. This is the 11 version. You have download for the 8th one, right? I have installed 8, right? Here you have to find the operating system. I have a 64-bit I have installed, so you have to install this one, right? If you download and it is straightforward, you just click install it. You can install easily. Okay. After download all the stuff, you will be able to see this one 8 point, this one 8 point. This one should be your NetBeans. This is a screen builder, right? It's look like this. You just straightforward, right? First you have to install JDK. Second you have to install NetBeans. Third you have to install screen builder, right? Okay, this is the way you have to install, right? Okay, you have to follow the stuff step by step, right? First you have to install JDK, Java downloads. After that NetBeans ID. After that you have to install scenes builder, right? That is the you have to follow the stuff carefully, right? After you install, I have opened the file like this. Okay, this is the one. This is the empty one, right? This is your project, right? This is your project here. This one. Yeah. Okay, I have created the project. This app, right? This is your files, right? Okay, after install that, you can go here, you can check here, go to the tools and option, you can find JavaFx. Here it's automatically your path should be here there, local screen builder, all the things are there. If you double click on this file, fxml file, you will be able to see the Java this one design here. Okay, now you will be able to design here. Now first I am going to, here this is a default one. If you run this one, you can check here what happened. If you run this one, you can check the right here. If you click, hello world will be displayed. This is a default one. Now I am going to create the new one, so double click on this one. Now here I am going to remove, press delete key on your keyboard and delete the button. Delete it, right. Now here we have to increase the size little bit. We have to increase like this, right? We have to increase size right. Now it's perfect. Now here first what I am going to do is here I am going to put one text field. Text field you have to put here. I need one button here. Button. You have to type here button. Simply you have to type, easily find it the button here, right. This button I am going to click OK. Select this one OK. Simply you have to give OK, right. Okay, you have to get it here. Simple. Okay. If you want to change the text, font, all the stuff, you will be here. Okay. It's very easy stuff. Now here what I am going to do is here. If I click this button here, display the some text here. Right? If I click this button, so outright the code here is click on this click on this text box. We can change the name here. What's the name? If you want to change, you can change here. Promote text mean here you have to enter the text. Enter the text. Press here. It's like a placeholder, right? So here we have to write here is you have to give the name. Select this text box. If you can give the name here, go to the code. Sorry, code. Okay, here you can give the name here. TXT. This one here TXT text. You have to give the name TXT text, right? Okay, this is the name I have give TXT text. This button is a button. We have to. We don't need the name here button. We have to only just action we have to write here is add. Right, press enter key. Right. Okay, this is the name of the text box. This is the button. You can, if you want to, you can give the name here button btn add. Right, that's the thing. Okay. Now here what happen is if I click this button, text should be displayed here. Right. So how to write the code for that? Simply you have to save the file. File save and go to the view. Show sample control this one. You have to copy these files, right? This one. You have to copy this one here. From here. The label, text box field, button, all stuff you can copy. Control C to copy. Back to your NetBeans here. Here controller, this control, double click and open it. Here this one should be the default one. When you click the button, the allow will be displayed earlier. That's the things here available. This course we have to remove them, backspace to remove them. Instead of that, what the code you have copied there, control B to paste here, right? This is must, okay, all stuff are there. This is not error, you have to import the text box, right? This is a button, you have to import that. That's the simple stuff, okay. Now here what I am going to do is here, first I am going to check whether it's working fine or not. So let's go to the J option pan dot show message dialog. Here we have to write null here. Here we have to write the message hi. Just check this control is working or not, right? Now let's click the button. Right. Now here if you click OK button, hi should be working. It's working successfully, right? Now let's check. Now let's do the another task, right? Now here we now need this one. Now here we have to write here. First we have to create the string variable string name, right? Here name equal txt text dot getText. I gave the name of this text box as txt text, right? What is the text you are entered here? It assigning to the variable name, right? Now here this name I am going to show as a J option message box. So that's the stuff we need, right? What's the name you are entered here? So how to write here? J option pan dot show message dialog, right? This you have to give here is name, right? This not you have to put it as null, right? Here null. Okay, now this variable, call it here. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right? Click OK. Sorry. Here, right here. You have to Java. Click OK. Java. Click VB. Click OK. VB. Okay. If you click C#, click OK. C#. Right? It's working perfectly. Right? Now what I am going to say very basic stuff. We have to learn this first. Right? This very basic stuff. Right? Now what I am going to do is here. I am going to add two numbers, right, in order to calculate the total, right. Now let me see how to do the task, right. So what I am going to do is here, back to my screen builder, this one, this is our scene builder, this one. So here I have to remove this one, we no need, then press delete, right. Again I am going to do that sticks, delete, right. Now here first I am going to go here, type panel, I need a panel, one panel, this one pan right here, right, pan. Simple pan, right. Now here we have to change the color of the pan. Go to the your property, style, background color. You have to put it as blue. Press enter key. It is blue, right? Perfect, right? So here what I am going to say, I am going to make the heading here. So go to the library here, label. You have type label. Drag the label on here. Here I am going to type. Add two numbers, press enter key, right. Select this one, add two numbers, sorry, I have to add two numbers, press enter key, right. Now here, what I am going to do is here, this one, select this one, we have to increase the font little bit, right. Here it's very simple, here you can change here, very simple. With bold, if you want bold, it's very simple, you have to select as bold here, right here, it's working perfectly well, right, here the interface is very nice, okay. Now here we have to write here as, we have to drag to three labels, right, so here one, the same label you have to num1, select this one, you have to increase the font size little bit 40, 50, right. And we have to do another stuff is this one should be the regular, we have to change this bold, and color we have to change this one as a white, right. Same thing, right click, select this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, second one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, third, right. Okay, this one, select this one, num2, this one num3, sorry, total, press enter key, right. We have to arrange them. Right, now what I am going to do is here, I have to drag the text box fields, right. So we have to drag the text box field, so you have to text field, text field you have to drag them, right. Now here what I am going to do is here, right, now here you have to arrange the you have to arrange the button, right. So we have to type button, you have to put it here, this button you have to select this add, now here this name you have to give us add, press enter key, right, perfect, right. Now select this text box, you have to give the name, this one you have to give the promote text, you have to give the name as enter num1, enter num1, num1, this one enter num2, press enter key, enter num3, sorry, total, this one total, right here, perfect, now it's perfect, okay, this now it's working perfect here. Now you have to change the name here, right. Select this one, go to the code, the field, you have to give the name txt num1, press enter key, second one txt num2, you have to give, select third one txt tot, press enter key, right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, go to the view, show sample, this one collector, we have to copy the codes. Very simple. This codes we have to copy. Sorry, we have to do another stuff which we didn't do the action button. We have to didn't change anything else. So select the button. Yeah, BT. We have to give the name BT and add. Press enter key. If you are not press the enter key, it won't apply, right? So this one on action method you have to write add. Press enter key. Right. That's the thing you have to do. You have to save. File save, and you have to go to the view. Source on this one. You have to copy this one. Control C to copy from here. Let's close it. Let's back to NetBeans. So we have to paste them. Control V to paste it. That's the thing we have to do. Right? This copy and paste it very must. Okay. Very simple. Now here only we have to type int num1 comma num2 comma dot. Right. Now here first you have to write num1 equal the same thing, integer dot pass int. You have to write here txt. What's the name here? Txt num1 dot get text. After you have the same thing, you have to control C to copy, control V to paste it, num2. Simply you have to write dot equal num1 plus num2. Have to write here. Total you have to display here this text box, right? So you have to write here txt dot set text. You have to convert string dot value of dot. Right. This is the thing. Okay. Very simple. Right. Very simple one. Right. What is the name you are given here? txt2, txt3. This one you have to display. Right. Get the answer. You have to convert as a string. Right. This is all an integer type. You have to convert as a integer dot pass. Right. So what is the value you type on this text box? It assigning to the variable num1, number2. Get the total variable. You have to add two values and pass it to assign to this variable. You have to pass it here to calculate and display on the text box. Right. That's the thing you have to do. Now let's execute and check whether it's working fine or not. Right. It's working. Now if you enter the number as first number 50, second number 50, click add button, 100 is the answer. Perfect. It's very perfect. Right. It's working perfect. Now if you are going to, right, this is the things we have to do. I hope you guys understood the things well. In my next tutorial I will be continuing the JavaFx part. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.